everyone present here. I am Nidhi Kashyap and would be with you today for IWE Vectors Green Quiz. I take this opportunity to welcome you all on this important occasion. IWE is Institution of Water and Environment India, which is constituted to serve the communities in enhancing the water security, safe sanitization and environment protection by creative and constructive process utilizing scientific advancements, knowledge, expertise and experience. Quiz is an initiative by IWE to sensitize our young generation on topics related to environment. The quiz is organized so that awareness could be created among the school students across the nation on green issues. While attempting a question, students become more knowledgeable and informative to protect our environment. I would like to invite our lead partner, Vectors Industry, who is one of the India's leading polymer-based solution company, primarily in the business of manufacturing water, storage, tanks and piping system. With a strong history and penetrative presence in India for 30 plus years, we have consistently delivered high quality water storage and transportation solution. To say few lines about the quiz, I request Mr. Ashish Baheti, Joint Managing Director, Wavin Vectors Industry, to say.
Good morning, dear students. I would like to start by asking few questions. How many of you sitting here use their own smartphones? How many of you have Facebook or Instagram accounts? How many of you wear smartwatches or would want to buy one very soon? Wow! Human beings have made an incredible and rapid advancement. Smart being the new catchphrase. Our mobile phones are smart, watches are smart, classrooms are smart, homes are smart, and we live in smart cities. Even the remote controls, the light bulbs, and the toilets are smart. But my smart students, in our haste to adopt new technologies that have made our lives better, we did not think about the long-term consequences. Now we are paying a very heavy price with its adverse impact on our body, mind and environment. High carbon and resource-intensive economic models are heating our blue planet. They are destroying nature and biodiversity, undermining the very foundations of our existence. Everyone loves superheroes like Marvel, Avengers, and Justice League. But have you heard of all-time 5 mega superheroes? Earth, water, fire, air, and space are the real superheroes. These 5 great elements and the supreme energy from which life originated are called Panch Mahabhutas. The interdependence of these elements is the reason for existence of life on Mother Earth. These cosmic elements create, nurture and sustain all form of life. So there is nothing beyond these Panch Mahabhutas. Whatever may be the path to development, we need to conserve our environment by taking care of every element of the nature. Development with sustainability is the actual growth. We need to change our detrimental habits, unhealthy lifestyles, shallow thoughts, and selfish attitude. Together, let us craft a world of life-oriented education which is capable to promote holistic, sustainable growth. Nothing can work unless each one of us doesn't act responsibly. Always remember that. Let us be the dynamic part of the life-oriented education to impart a harmonious life on earth. Like Gandhiji once said, the world has enough for everyone's need, but not enough for everyone's greed. We need this magnificent beauty of pure nature with us for the generations ahead. And who else but you, my young, thoughtful, committed citizen, can change the world. So let's pledge to tread together on journey for a sustainable world. Thank you so much for your enthusiastic and thoughtful cooperation. all the very best for this quiz, competition, and brighter future ahead. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite our founder president Shri J.C. Singhal ji to say few words about the quiz.
Very good morning everybody and a happy new year to you all. Friends, we all know that environment is the essence of everything in our world. Therefore, caring for environment play a vital role in our lives. It is also imperative that the upcoming generation be educated on matters of environment and sustainability so that they can inherit and maintain a greener world. In this context, I would like to mention here a quote from our great leader Mahatma Gandhi ji. He said, "Our earth, the air, the land and water are not an inheritance from our forefathers, but on loan of our children. So we have to hand over these to them at least as it was handed over to us." We took his words of wisdom as mission of our institution. With this mission, the Institution of Water and Environment is organizing a nationwide online green quiz to educate and create awareness throughout about environment to future generation. We received a warm response with students from large number of schools across 26 states and union territory participating. The winners shall be honored in a grand gala award ceremony which will take place next month in New Delhi. The story of this journey is being published in the form of a memoir named as Green Quest. This memoir is proposed to be released on the day of award ceremony. Friends, I am happy to share with you that Vectors Industries joined us in this novel mission as lead partners and has been the main resource provider for this grand event. Apart from Vectors, Free Press Journal, Safety and Quality Forum, IEI, and HP State Center Institution of Engineers also gave support to us as star partners, making this Pine India event to go. Institution is highly obliged to our tech partner, Mindaro Technology, which designed and executed this grand event with great skill and expertise in a befitting manner. The enthusiastic response of schools, students, teachers, and parents provided us great encouragement throughout the period of quiz. Needless to mention that institutions shall be organizing such quizzes periodically to educate and create awareness on important issues of green world. Dear sir, we seek your kind patronage for the same. Let us go now and take walk into the world of green quiz. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your important words. Now it's time to start IWE Vectors Green Quiz 2022. Please see your screen's instruction to attempt quiz and related rules and regulation are mentioned. Let me read for you as well for your convenience. First is, quiz is best displayed through web mode. Therefore, it is advised to attempt quiz through desktop or laptop. Second, please do not press F5 or refresh the page during the quiz. In case timer is not displayed or questions are not changing, please wait for few seconds or else try re-login. Please note the data, number of the question that you have attempted and mark secured shall remain in fact. On relogging, you shall be redirected to the question running at that particular time only. Third, there shall be 50 questions. Fourth one is, all questions shall be multiple choice question with only one correct answer. Fifth one is, one question shall appear on the screen at a time. Sixth, there is a counter displayed on the screen. It reflects the number of seconds left to answer that particular question. Each question shall get 45 seconds to answer. Seventh is on completion of time and before moving to the next question, correct answer shall be displayed. Eighth one is there shall be no negative marking. Ninth, question once attempt cannot be modified. Please click the option that you consider the right answer and click submit answer button to submit your response. Please note that simply clicking any question does not submit your response. You have to click on submit answer. One is participate taking less time consider higher in rank. For this purpose, sum total of time taken for each question shall be used to rank the participants. 11th one is after the final question, a thank you screen would appear. There are some rules and regulations for the quiz. First one is please note that your participation in the IWE Vectors Green Quiz 2022. Second is please read the instructions thoroughly before appearing for the quiz. Third one is quiz for senior category, that is 6 to 12. Participants shall start on Sunday, January 8, 2023 at 9:30 o'clock. Quiz for junior category, that is 1st to 5th. Participants shall start on January 8, 2023 Sunday at 11 o'clock. Fourth one is you can attempt the quiz only once. Fifth one is in case OTP is not received on your registered mobile phone, please take your phone to suitable area where telecom signals are available. You might try another login attempt. One is on login, you shall be landed at dashboard. You shall be redirected to the instruction page automatically without your click. When the time of quiz start, in case of late login, redirect would happen after a brief pause at each page. Seventh one is decision of the IWE shall be final and binding. Eighth, no request or query shall be entertained. Ninth, a list of top 20 candidates, 10 in each category, shall be selected based on their performance for attractive awards. They shall be awarded during a grand ceremony to be held at New Delhi. Winner candidates shall be informed through WhatsApp about the ceremony. 10th is top 50 candidates in each category shall be honored with gold and green certificates. 11th is each candidate who attempt online quiz shall get participation certificates to be downloaded from their respective login. 12th one is any candidate related to any of the staff members of lead partner, star partner, media partner and tech partner in any manner are not entitled to participate. So here is your first question. The average temperature of sewage in India is A 10 degrees Celsius, B 40 degrees Celsius, C 20 degrees Celsius, D 50 degrees Celsius. Correct answer is 3. Explanation: average temperature of sewage in India is 20 degrees Celsius, which is approximately the ideal temperature for biological activities. Question 2. Where is most of Earth's fresh water located? A. In ice caps and glaciers. B. In oceans. C. In storage tank. D. In hand pumps. Correct answer is 1. Explanation: water in other option is not 100% fresh. Next question. Which two elements make up water? A. Hydrogen and oxygen. B. Sodium and calcium. C. Calcium and oxygen. D. Hydrogen and sodium. Correct answer is 1. Explanation: two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen combine to form water. Question 4. Water covers over dash of the Earth's surface. A. 90%, B. 40%, C. 70%, D. 20%. Correct answer is 3. Explanation: as per geographical mapping, 70% of the Earth's surface is covered by water. Question 5. What is the boiling point of water? A. 0 degrees Celsius. B. 100 degrees Celsius. C. 250 degrees Celsius. D. 115 degrees Celsius. Correct answer is 2. Explanation: water starts boiling at 100 degrees Celsius and start freezing at 0 degrees Celsius. Question 6. The process of burning municipal solid waste at high temperature is called A. Incineration, B. Composting, C. Landfilling, D. Shredding. Correct answer is 1. Explanation. Incineration is the most common method of disposal of municipal solid waste. Solid waste should have a high calorific value. Question 7. The process of decomposition of biodegradable solid waste by earthworm is called A. Landfills, B. Shredding, C. Vermicomposting, D. Composting. Correct answer is 3. Explanation. The process of decomposition of biodegradable solid waste by earthworm is called vermicomposting. It produces a rich organic soil amendment. Next question. Why burning waste is not an acceptable practice of solid waste management? A. Very costly. B. Requires modern technologies. C. Cause several environmental issues. D. Requires lot of space. Correct answer is 3. Explanation. Burning waste creates lots of pollution and it is harmful to both environment and as well as organisms. Question 9. Which of the following are not categorized as hazardous wastes? A. Garbage. B. Industry waste. C. Hospital waste. D. Laboratory waste. Correct answer is 1. Explanation, as you can see on your screens. Question 10. Which is the cleanest city in India? A. Delhi. B. Kolkata. C. Indore. D. Dehradun. Correct answer is 3. As per data from the Indian government's annual cleanliness survey 2022. Question 11. What source will be available for millions of years for generation of green energy? A. Water. B. Coal. C. Oil. D. Sun. Correct answer is 4. Explanation: sun will be there for generation of solar power for many years. Question 12. Which renewable energy source does not require a turbine to generate electricity? A. Hydro, B. Wind, C. Solar, D. Tidal. Correct answer is 3. Explanation: the solar energy is generated by using photovoltaic silicon cell which convert sunlight into electricity. Question 13. Why is tree plantation necessary for clean environment? A. Flowers, B. Fruits, C. Pure air, D. Shadow. Correct answer is 3. Explanation: trees absorb CO2 and give oxygen, thereby purifying air. Next question. What means of green transport do not pollute air? A. Railway, B. Buses, C. Autos, D. Non-motorized vehicle, NMV. Correct answer is 4. Explanation: non-motorized vehicle, as these vehicles do not use fossil fuel or batteries. For example, bicycle, cycle, rickshaw, etc. Question 15. To avoid wastage of paper, effective way of communication is through A. Courier, B. Telegram, C. Post, D. Email communication. Correct answer is A. Explanation, as you can see on your screens. Question 16. What is renewable energy? A. Comes from natural process and replenish itself. B. Can be recycled. C. Comes from natural gas. D. Is saved by turning off lights and equipment. Correct answer is first. Explanation: the energy that is replenished continuously by natural process and will be available for millions of years. For example, solar and wind energy. Question 17. Wind power is generated using A. Wind turbine, B. Strong wind, C. Burning natural gas, D. Coal gas. Correct answer is 1. Explanation: the wind turbines uses wind speed to generate electricity power. Question 18. Which renewable energy is generated by building dams on the river? A. Wind energy, B. Solar, C. Hydroelectric, D. Tidal. Correct answer is 3. Explanation: the energy from the stored water is used to run turbine which generates electric energy. Question 19. Which gas is causing harm to our earth? A. Methane, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Sulfur dioxide, D. All of the above. Correct answer is 4. Explanation as you can see on your screens. Question 20. What are saprophytes? A. Living beings that feed on the sap from free bark. B. Living beings that feed on dead or decayed organic matter. C. Living beings that feed on other living beings. D. Living beings that feed on dead or decayed inorganic matter. Correct answer is 2. Explanation: saprophytes are living organisms that could not make their personal food and hence they feed on dead decaying matter. Question 21. The process of accumulation of harmful chemical substance like pesticides in the body of living organism at each trophic level of a food chain is known as A. Biological magnification, B. Biological accumulation, C. Chemical magnification, D. Chemical accumulation. Correct answer is 1. Explanation: it is increasing concentration of toxic chemicals in the tissue of organism at a successive higher levels in a food chain. Next question. Name the atmospheric layer closest to Earth's surface. A. Troposphere. B. Mesosphere. C. Thermosphere. D. Stratosphere. Correct answer is 1. Explanation: troposphere starts from the Earth's surface up to 8 km. Thereafter comes mesosphere, thermosphere and stratosphere. Question 23. Which is the most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. Correct answer is 3. Explanation: nitrogen approx 78%, oxygen approx 2% and other approx 1%. Question 24. Which animal category plays a critical role in maintaining the structure of an ecosystem? A. Herbivorous. B. Keystone species. C. Carnivorous. D. None of the above. What are arboreal animals? A. Animal living in trees. B. Animals living in water. C. Animals living in marshy lands. D. Animal living on land. Correct answer is 1. Explanation: arboreal animals are those which spend most of their lives on trees. They eat, sleep and play on tree canopy. Question 26. The production of light by living beings is known as A. Bioluminescence. B. Biolighting. C. Biofluorescence. D. All of these. Correct answer is 1. Explanation: it occurs widely in marine vertebrates and invertebrates and in some fungi. Question 27. Biological equilibrium is an ecosystem balance among the A. producers, B. producers and consumers, C. decomposers and producers, D. producers, consumers and decomposers. Correct answer is 4. Explanation as you can see on your screens. Next question. Dash is the only ape found in India. A. Lion-tailed macaque. B. Nilgiri langur. C. Hollow gibbon. D. Arunachal macaque. Correct answer is 3. Explanation. Hollow gibbons are found in the northeastern part of India and the only ape species in India. Question 29. Which one of the following is the national aquatic animal in India? A. Saltwater crocodile. B. Olive ridley turtle. C. Gangetic dolphin. D. Ghadial. Correct answer is 3. Explanation. The Gangetic dolphin is the national aquatic animal of India. It represents the purity of the river Ganga as it can only survive in pure water and fresh water. Question 30. Which is the only floating park in the world located in northeast India? A. Kabul Namjoy National Park of Loktak Lake. B. Kanchanjunga National Park. D. Dibru Saikhowa National Park. D. Manas National Park. Correct answer is first. Explanation. It is a national park in Bisanpur district of Manipur state located on Loktak Lake. Question 31. Which is the main constituent of acid rain? A. Nitrogen oxide. B. Sulfur dioxide. C. Nitrogen dioxide. D. All of the above. Correct answer is 4. Explanation. He main constituents of acid rain are the oxides of nitrogen and sulfur in the atmosphere. It is harmful for environment. Next question. The study of weather is called A. Meteorology, B. Climatology, C. Amenorology, D. Aerology. Correct answer is 1. Explanation, as you can see on your screens. Question 33. Which of the following are main factors responsible for rapid rate deforestation? A. Rapid growth of pollution in developing countries. B. Extension of agriculture and grazing lands. C. Rising demand for wood, charcoal and other forest products. D. All of the above. Answer 4. Explanation, as you can see on your screens. Question 34. Which of the following is not related to the source of air pollution? A. Volcanic emissions. B. Acid rains. C. Fuel combustion in vehicular traffic. D. Petroleum refining. Correct answer is 2. Explanation, acid rain in precipitation with acidic component while others are source of air pollution. Question 35. Which is the most serious environmental effect caused by hazardous waste? A. Air pollution. B. Contamination of groundwater. C. Increased use of land for landfills. D. Destruction of habitat. Correct answer is 2. Explanation, groundwater is one of the important source for irrigation and drinking. Contamination of groundwater by hazardous waste cause serious environmental effect. Question 36. The presence of dash in a water body is an indicator of water pollution. A. Zygosporidium. B. E. coli. C. Deinococcus radiodurans. D. None of the above. Correct answer is 2. Explanation: E. coli is a coliform bacteria that is commonly found in lower intestine of warm-blooded organism. Its presence in water indicates water pollution through fecal contamination. Question 37. In 1986, a natural disaster which occurred in dash 400 times more radioactive material was released as compared to atomic bombing of Hiroshima. A. Fukushima, Japan. B. Chernobyl, Ukraine. C. Tokomura, Japan. D. 3 Mile Island, USA. Correct answer is 2. Explanation as you can see on your screens. Question 38. Soap and detergent are source of organic pollutants like A. Glycerol, B. Polyphosphates, C. Sulfonated hydrocarbons, D. All of these. Correct answer is 4. Explanation: soaps and detergent are the sources of both organic and inorganic pollutants that harm the water bodies. Question 39. The brown haze dome formed in city is because of which gas? A. Sulfur dioxide, B. Nitrogen dioxide, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Volatile organic compounds, VOC. Correct answer is 2. Explanation: nitrogen mixes with oxygen to form brown colored air. Question 40. Rare presence of vultures in India countryside can be attributed to A. Destruction of their nesting site by new invasive species, B. A drug used by cattle owners for treating their diseased cattle, C. Scarcity of food available to them, D. A widespread, persistent and fatal disease among them. Correct answer is 2. Explanation as you can see on your screens. Question 41. PET, the most common thermoplastic polymer resin of the polyester family, is the most widely recycled plastic. What does PET stands for? A. Polyethylene tetrahydrophenol, B. Polyethylene terephthalate, C. Polyethanol terrycoat, D. Para-ethyl tetrohydroxybutane. Correct answer is 2. Explanation. Polyethylene tetraflate or PET is the chemical name for polyester. It is a lightweight, strong plastic that is majorly used in the world for packaging purpose. Question 42. When solid waste contain large number of dash, it can be used as fuel. A. Recyclables. B. Consumables. C. Compostables. D. All of the above. Correct answer is 2. Explanation. Substances that catch fire easily which undergoes combustion of burn are called combustible substance and are used as fuel. Question 43. The World Wildlife Fund WWF is one of the largest conservation organization in the world. Which of the following animal is the symbol of WWF? A. Dodo. B. Giant panda. C. Bison. D. Bengal tiger. Correct answer is 2. Explanation. WWF seeks to conserve biodiversity and build a future where humans live in harmony with the environment. Question 44. In June 2014, program started for abatement of pollution and rejuvenation of national river Ganga. A. River Valley. B. Clean River. C. Namami Gange. D. River linking. Correct answer is 3. Explanation. Namami Gange program is planned with twin objective of effective abatement of pollution, conservation and rejuvenation of national river Ganga. Question 45. India's first national park, the Haili National Park, was established in 1936. By what name do we know the park today? A. Siriska National Park. D. Bandhavgarh National Park. C. Jim Corbett National Park. D. Kaziranga National Park. Correct answer is 3. Explanation. It is situated at the foothills of the Himalayas and is famous for its tiger population. Question 46. GRIHA stands for A. Green Residential Habitat Assessment. B. Green Resource Integrated Habitat Assessment. C. Green Rating for Integrated Habitat Assessment. D. Green Rating for International Habitation Assessment. Correct answer is 3. Explanation GRIH attempts to minimize a building resource consumption, waste generation and overall ecological impact to within certain national acceptable limits or benchmarks. Question 47. World Environment Day is celebrated on A. 5 June, B. 22nd April, C. 22nd January, D. 22nd March. Correct answer is 1. Explanation. World Environment Day is the United Nations Day for encouraging worldwide awareness and action to protect our environment and held annually on 5 June since 1973. Question 48. Which of the following materials can be recovered from the recycling of soft drink cans? A. Paper, B. Plastic, C. Metal, D. Glass. Correct answer is 3. Explanation. Soft drink cans are made up of metals which can be recovered from their recycling. Question 49. What is the role of large green areas and trees for a clean environment? A. Provides shadow, B. Provides food, C. Provide oxygen and absorb CO2, D. Can be used for farming. Last question. What are planktons? A. Plants living in water. B. Very small plants and animals living in water. C. Very small animal living on land. D. All plants and animals. Correct answer is 2.